Andrew Holness, look a batty boy, you just come in at this, idiot.
Hey people, Andrew for send for that boy and lock him up, Oh my, this the most honorable Dr. Andrew Holness, so I want to him. Andrew for lock him up. Lock him up, Andrew.
Game in a yard, boss TV.
Must see me over TikTok. So drop and subscribe over YouTube now, man. Won't wait, pal. Today we're talking about something important, freedom of speech. Now you may have heard someone cussing out a politician, maybe even dropping some very harsh words like you're corrupt, you're wicked, or even worse. And you might say, damn, them can't say that? Them can't get arrested? Well, let's talk about it. Jamaica is a democratic country, and on the foundation of democracy, it is the ability to criticize leaders even strongly. The Jamaica Constitution, especially the Charter of Fundamental Rights and Freedom, protects your right to 1. Speak your mind, 2. Share your opinions, challenge the government, and criticize public figures. It doesn't say you must sound pretty, polite, or poetic. Freedom of speech does not only protect nice speeches, it protects ugly speeches as well, uncomfortable speeches, emotional speeches, because that's when it most matters. If speech was only free when it's polite, then it's not really free. Let's be honest, when government fails, when corruption leaks out, when decisions mash up lives, people don't whisper in Shakespeare English. Them cuss, them vent, them get upset. That's natural in a free society. Every Jamaican know the culture. We talk raw, we talk real, and passion is a part of our democracy. Silencing passionate speech isn't protecting society, it's protecting the powerful. We must never build a Jamaica where criticizing the Prime Minister or any public figure get you locked up. Because when leaders can't be challenged, tyranny takes over. But speech does have limitation. Now let's be clear. Even though the tough speech may be protected, there are limits. Freedom of speech does not protect threats of violence, inciting people to harm others, spreading lies presented as facts. That's defamation. Hate speech targeting groups, that's a no-no. Encouraging crime or disorder, that's a no-no. So yes, you can say the Prime Minister is corrupt. I think he's a terrible leader. He mash up the country. Those are opinions. Opinions are protected. But you cannot go around saying he's a murderer unless you can prove it, because that crosses into defamation and that can end up in court, a civil court. And you absolutely cannot say somebody should attack the Prime Minister, because that becomes criminal incitement. So yes, speak boldly, but speak responsibly. While we must protect speech, free speech isn't just a right, it is a shield for the people. If Jamaicans can't criticize their leaders, then corruption grows, abuse of power gets hidden, fear replaces freedom. Enough people died worldwide for the freedoms that we experience today. We can't make thin-skinned politicians turn back the clock of time. When the people stop talking, that's when the danger starts. Silence is not peace. Silence is oppression. So remember, you don't have to agree with the word someone uses. You don't have to like the tone. But in a free country, the right to speak must be protected, especially when the speech is uncomfortable. So just don't cross into threats or lies pretending to be facts, and then you'll be fine. Jamaica must stay a nation where we're not frightened for nobody. 7.